We are using pastel shades, so that is definitely not my favorite to use because I feel like it looks so washed out on me, but I'm still going to try it no matter what. But I am recreating a look that I did back in 2020. Let me show you guys. So it's actually this right here. This will be like a cotton candy swirl look. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. So for this video, I'm using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. Right here, the lilac, the mint, and rose. So these three. So I'm taking the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette, which is this right here. I'm actually going to use a blue because I think that's what it looks like right here. Blue, yeah. So let's get started. So this is going to look a little bit different. I'm actually going to do like a, I don't know how to explain it, but instead of making it like into like a circle to blend everything out, I'm actually gonna start doing like a curved, something like this. You guys see it? See how curved that is? Because we're going into that swerve look. I'm trying to blend these two together really well. I feel like it just doesn't, it disappears into the blue. Can barely see it. That's why I don't really mess with pastels, because I feel like they just disappear. And I don't know, I feel like so washed out with these, but it looks really nice though on people, but when I use it on myself, I'm like, I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of it. I don't know why my lighting is so bad. For some reason I look super orange. It's weird. So some nights it looks good, other nights it's like bad. Sorry if I look too orange, you guys. I don't know. It's not my foundation because I know this foundation is definitely my shade. And so we're just bringing everything to the front right here. Hope you guys can see that really well. Okay, I need to show you guys something. I purchased a pack of brushes like this on Amazon. This is from this brand right here. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. You guys, it's a dupe for the Morphe brushes. This is a Morphe brush right here. See it? Morphe, so you guys won't think I'm lying to you. Morphe, and this is Amazon right here. See that? Bomb. I will recommend this for sure. I think I should leave the link down below for you guys. Honestly, I didn't want to buy any more Morphe brushes because of this. Y'all see how the hairs are starting to look a little crazy? Whenever that happens, I usually throw the brushes away, or I just try to like pluck them out, but still it just keeps happening. So I'm like, you know what? I don't feel like purchasing any more of the Morphe brushes. I mean, they're cheap, which is a good price range for me. I feel like Amazon has some really amazing stuff on there, like really good quality stuff. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this tutorial. This is easy, this is quick, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys want me to do a specific look or something like that, definitely let me know. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias at BRIAXO_, and I'll see you guys in the next video.